Today in crypto. In a rather interesting turn of events, several Bitcoin critics are beginning to retrace their steps. The latest on the list is former Federal Reserve Governor, Kevin Warsh. According to him, Bitcoin now looks like a sensible investment. In 2018, Warsh argued that Bitcoin was too volatile to be useful. Following Bitcoin's recent positive price rallies and the influx of institutional money, the former Fed governor is now bullish on the legacy digital asset. In a recent interview with CNBC Squawk Box host, Andrew Ross Sorkin, Warsh said, "I think that Bitcoin does make sense as part of a portfolio in this environment where you have the most fundamental shift in monetary policy since Paul Volcker, former Federal Reserve Chair. This is a big shift that we're seeing under the Powell Fed, rightly or wrongly. If #Bitcoin never existed, gold would be rallying even more right now. But I guess if you are under 40, Bitcoin is your new gold," says Kevin Warsh. pip.twitter.com/1xp16a8qs, Squawkbox, at Squawk CNBC, January 6, 2021. Like many others, Warsh blamed the rising weakness of the dollar for Bitcoin's recent boom. Furthermore, he claimed that Bitcoin was encroaching into gold's market share since millennials are more interested in the digital asset. "So I'm not surprised in a period of dollar weakness that Bitcoin is doing what it's doing. I'd also suggest that part of the move in Bitcoin is taking some of the bid from gold. I think if Bitcoin never existed, gold would be rallying more right now, but I guess if you're under 40, Bitcoin is your new gold." The South Korean government has finally decided to tax cryptocurrency profits starting from 2023. Following a government-issued amendment on Wednesday, the country will proceed to tax profits from cryptocurrency trading. The legislative notice will last until January 21, and there is a possibility that the amendment will be passed next month. Whatever the case may be, the new levy on digital assets will not take effect until 2023. The new rule is introducing a series of additional taxes on capital gains. There is also a progressive taxation schedule for gains in stocks. Furthermore, anyone making more than $2.5 million $2,300 in annual profits from cryptocurrencies will be taxed at 20%. As for its stock counterpart, taxation starts at a profit of $50 million $46,000 annually. Unfortunately, individuals who got into cryptocurrencies earlier will not be exempted. According to the new rule, authorities will choose the highest between the market price before 2023 and the actual acquisition price. While the country remains one of the early strongholds of cryptocurrency adoption, the relative popularity of cryptocurrencies decline in Korea following the 2018 bear market. South Korea's government has also been hitting hard on cryptocurrency assets. First, they demanded the delisting of privacy coins on local exchanges and then pushed to place a ban on the sharing of order books. Binance recently revealed that it was shutting down its Korean office due to low trading volumes and lack of liquidity. Coinbase is under the microscope with Bitcoin's BTC price surges past $41,000 following a minor retrace after topping $40,000 on Thursday. The United States-based crypto exchange is known for experiencing serious connectivity issues during periods of peak trading activity. Indeed, these disruptions have reportedly prevented traders from taking advantage of price gains and dips, robbing them of profit-taking and re-entry opportunities. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. First mover, it might be getting silly as Bitcoin passes $39,000, $40,000, $41,000. It's taken just 8 days in 2021 for Bitcoin prices to surge more than 40%, and some analysts are starting to handicap the chances for a correction. Crypto payments network Electronam is expanding its utility bill and mobile phone airtime top-up coverage to more countries in Africa. Electronam has announced the expansion of its service coverage to 4 additional West African countries: Benin, Togo, Côte d'Ivoire, and Sierra Leone. The move brought the company's African service coverage to 9 nations with Nigeria, Senegal, Mali, Gambia, and Guinea-Bissau already in the mix. With over 4 million registered users, Electronam's African push has focused on utilizing its ETN token for utility bill payments and mobile airtime subscriptions via the company's mobile app. Nigel Pooley, head of business development at Electronam, told Cointelegraph. According to Pooley, the electricity top-ups feature is creating ETN utility across the company's suite of products and services, adding, most of these transactions come from our AnyTask freelancers. AnyTask is a freelancing platform powered by Electronam that is reportedly gaining significant patronage, as previously reported by Cointelegraph. Crypto adoption is helping to improve the lot of African freelancers in the expanding gig economy. Commenting on future plans, Pooley revealed that the company was working to partner directly with electricity companies and mobile network operators. According to the Electronam business development chief, the goal is to ensure that users enjoy base rates on electricity top-ups and mobile airtime recharge payments. For now, most ETN-based bill payments and airtime subscriptions occur via crypto-friendly third-party agents in Africa. We have already managed to land direct deals with 2 mobile network operators, the Unlimited in South Africa and Cellcard in Cambodia, said Pooley, adding, "Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel."